Okay, so the first one was star sign. I said Leo, but I just got stuck.
Ah, mine's Libra.
Oh, one letter right.
I put Taurus.
No,
Is that even a star sign?
Sagittarius. Number 2 was the quirk, but I didn't write anything.
I just put that you wear a lot of rings, but that's all I can think of.
It's nice.
Is that a quirk?
If you want. I wrote Elsa for your Disney character, just 'cause I thought you was a big sister and you're blonde.
I like that.
What did you write?
I put Belle, because I couldn't think of any apart from Ariel.
Belle.
Is that the one out of Beauty and the Beast? I couldn't think of any!
I'd be like the Snow Mum's evil mum that gives her the poisonous apple or something, wouldn't I?
That's a bit out there, but okay, yeah, alright.
That's what you'd say, isn't it, Hayley? A baddie.
No, baddie.
If Hayley was
You're far from Aladdin.
Yeah.
Oh, is it for these?
Southern, yeah, it's got to be Southern East.
Oh, you got to count us down like 3.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's me.
It's definitely not me.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sorry, I peeked early.
Probably a bit, yeah, I guess, yeah. Oh, I thought you were counting us, sorry. Yeah. I caught a beetle in a glass last night on my own.
I wouldn't
With a
mind
bit of
catching
paper.
spiders.
And I could feel, I was holding it like this, and I could feel it running on my hand.
Perfect pizza toppings on here.
Do that one then. Right, pizza topping, chicken, mushroom, pepper.
Well done.
Thank you.
I put vegetables because you're a vegetarian. Does that count?
What, like a veggie pizza? A veggie?
Yeah.
No, I'd have spinach and ricotta.
Oh, damn. Are they vegetables though?
One's a cheese.
Okay.
Death Road last dinner.
Mine's really basic.
Pizza.
Close. Kind of
Close.
close. No, this is a really pathetic meal, but like it is my favourite. Cheese on toast.
That's a last snack.
Maybe you make a lot of it.
What did you say was mine?
I said bruschetta because I couldn't think of anything else.
No, but that's a good one. That'd be a starter.
The correct answer, Beth.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, a roast dinner.
Oh, that's a good one. Actually, I'd like to change mine.
I would put roast.
Upgrade from cheese
I'd be
on
well annoyed
toast.
if you're in the cell next to me and a roast didn't come and I had cheese on.
Yeah.
That's so next to
Cheese and
me.
toast comes out.
You know, when we get banged up for life.
Oh, she's got a cheese and toast.
And they bring the death penalty back. I'll be sliding bruschetta under the... And then to accompany our last meal... I said you have your tea white and your coffee you don't drink.
Yeah, see, I
Is
don't
that
drink.
correct?
I don't drink either of them.
Oh. So one was half correct. What did you...
I just put coffee latte because that's all I know exists.
No.
Sorry. Because I remember what you said I should start on a coffee, but I couldn't actually remember what you said. But I
Have my
remember we
coffee
had
black. It's quite an extreme. Latte is like milk with a splash of coffee. Okay, what about tea?
I didn't even put tea.
Brilliant. So you've got incorrect if you're correct.
Okay.
So my duet that I would sing is
I
Summer.
put Grease. Is it Grease?
Summer Love it is!
Yes!
Yeah! That's so
Well done,
good.
guys.
Well done. What was the one that we'd sing together?
I put Ice Ice Baby.
That's a good one, but I put Nelly and Kelly.
That's a nice one. Do both. Okay.
Wait, what's yours?
Um,
I don't think I answered your one for you. I just wrote down what mine was.
the last one I did was Busted Year 3000.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
What's the thing I take to the desert island?
What did you put for me?
Dark Coke.
Ah, you should.
To be fair,
that's true.
That's a good one. I put jet ski for me.
Oh my god!
But okay. But what was yours? Because I put boat.
You put what?
Boat.
That's a good one. But I put my poor multi-purpose butter.
I don't feel like you'd get very far with that, but okay.
But I could eat just the veg. I'm happy to eat the plants. I think I'd last quite a while on a desert
Your
island.
pawpaw cream. You take your.
Well, it does lips, nails, hair, and
Looking
body.
fly, strand. Okay, alright, okay.
I said that Meryl Streep would play you, but that's because she's one of the only people I know.
I said that Margot Robbie would play you because that's only one of the only people that I know.
That's
I was
nice.
going to go with
thinking of
Angelina Jolie for when you were like old.
Hannah Blossom.
Who would you want to play yourself?
I was going to say Lisa Kudrow from Friends.
Oh, I love her.
Just, I think that. she'd be
I put
good.
Jennifer Lawrence because my little brother was obsessed with her. Cause
Oh, that would have been quite a good
Yeah.
one. Right,
Well,
we would
suck
be the
at
Love
this.
Island couple that we'd be.
I put Ovie in India.
Oh.
Or did you put Amber and Greg?
Yeah.